Since the dawn of time,
Oo.
Andox and Baliwag
And
ruled.
battle has raged on kung sinong mas superior sa mga big brand, big manok na to. Big lechon manok.
eons.
For eons. Until one day, Bounty Fresh, sabi nila, you know what? We challenge in the market. At naglabas sila ng Chokes to Go na meron pasabi na masarap kahit walang sauce. Grabe yung claim.
Kahit walang sauce.
Kahit walang sauce, sabi niya, tangina nyo, mga nakaasa sa sarsa, ito yung tikman nyo, Chokes to Go. And gumana siya. Naging disruptor siya ng lechon manok
Disruptor
category.
of the tech space.
And now, we have here, mas malupit pa sa Triple H, Chris Benoit, Shawn Michaels, mas malupit pa sa Daniel Bryan, Batista, tsaka Randy Orton, pare. And I'm talking about triple threat matches, kung di nyo nagigets ko na sinasabi
Wala kasing
ko.
boxing na triple threat.
Walang walking triple threat kasi mahihina sila. Kaya ito, mga kaibigan, ang triple threat match ng lechon manok. Ang
Three
pinaka malaking budget sa Tikimers history.
Sobrang-
Kasi pinagrab ko to individually.